Alright, in this video I'm going to do something a little different. Instead of putting discounts for a quad or drone, I'm going to go ahead and include discounts for the DJI Osmo Action dual screen camera and also the Pocket. So I already have the Pocket in the cart. So if you click on my link in the description and you'll go, this one is for the dual. So I'll go ahead and add to cart. As you can see, it was $3.99 and you'll log in like normal. So right now I have the dual action or the dual screen Osmo selected, and I'll hit this code here, see if this is the right one. Nope. So this one is AA. So it's BGDDAA. Hit apply. And there you go. You can get this one for $319.92. So now if I go off of here, and if I go down to the Pocket and change that to the PP and $80 off, and this one is $319.99. So you can get them both for $320 or less than $320. Okay, that's it for today's discount. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I'll keep including discounts, mainly action cameras and quadcopters or drones. And leave a comment below if this worked for you or if you'd like to see a discount for something else. And we'll see you next time.